Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change which countries are accounted to the total amount of countries in the world in Bean app. You can increase the total amount of countries. You can see now currently it shows 195 UN countries, and you can actually change that to either UN countries plus Kosovo and Taiwan, or UN countries and all territories. So you can go to profile, scroll down to country count, and change total to UN Kosovo Taiwan, or UN plus all territories. And now you'll see that there's 266, not 195. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.